is up, guys? It's your boy, the McCann Corner, and today we are playing Hide and Seek Part 2. The other video, well, did really good for me. I don't know if you guys think it did good, because my videos usually get like 50 views, 30 views. Stop, Madison! So, let's get right into this. I will come back to you guys when I'm hiding. Okay, Madison wants to do my intro with me, so...
No, I'm going to do the thing.
Come on.
The video.
What is up, guys? It's your boy. Come on.
McCann Corner.
I thought you watched my videos.
The McCann Corner.
Yo, there's a cop car now. I hope they're not after us from yesterday's video. But, come on. Look.
Guys, I need to tell you a story. When the cop came up to me and
Be
said...
quiet. Be quiet, okay? Let's do my intro again. What is up, guys? It's your boy,
the McCann Corner.
And today we are playing Hide and Seek number 2. And... well, Madison wanted to do the intro, so that's why we're already a minute in.
No, I want to do the thing that we did yesterday.
We are playing Hide and Seek number 2, and Madison's counting first again. So
I'm going to start the video.
Hopefully we don't get in trouble by the cops. She's going to start the video, so here's Madison.
Found you, Trishelle! We're not playing tag! What happened?
She broke her thing.
You're a jerk. I thought she broke her paw. Trishelle! It's not tag! But still, I found you! Yeah? What? Cora said, time out. Sure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Found you! Trishelle, I found you! I found you! Trishelle because I saw her running.
Yeah, you found Trishelle first. No, you didn't. You found Cora first.
You were running, right?
No.
Yes. I found you.
I wasn't running.
I was in the bush. I know what Brendan is already. But if you guys see him, let me know.
Brendan, go first to find everyone.
No, I didn't! I'm not giving up until I find Brendan. Sorry.
Can I be your favorite cousin?
Yeah, you are.
Hey, you?
Sorry. Cora, look.
Am I your favorite cousin? Yeah.
Ah! Found you!
I was trying to save you.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Who got found first?
Cora and Trishelle. I was found after.
Okay. So Trishelle's gonna count again.
She found Cora first. She found Trishelle and Trishelle was running.
Hopefully we don't get in trouble, but
Trishelle, I saw you running.
we got this.
You know why? It's your turn because me. No.
Cora,
It's not my turn.
Cora, me.
So I haven't got found.
everyone's one except Brendan.
No, Cora, me, Brendan, you.
Okay, I'll count. I'll be at the counting place in 3, 2. I messed that up. I'll be at the counting place in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm here. So I'm gonna be counting. I'll resume back when I'm at 20. 20. Okay. I'm gonna find one of them. I think I already see one of them, but it's not getting all the details. I know where my sister is right away. I know where my other cousin is. It's gonna be pretty easy to find her friend because her friend doesn't really hide in big-ish spots, like big spots where you can't be found. So I know they're all hiding in the same spot, but let's see what I know they're hiding behind the gazebo over there where I was hiding while trying to hide earlier in the video, which I didn't press record. So let's find him.
Hey.
One of them's up in the tree. I'll be right back. Now, what I know is that they wouldn't hide behind the gazebo because that is my top hiding place. What? Where the fuck did they go? Where are they?
Hey, we're leaving.
I know where they are. One sec, Dad.
Bye.
I know where they are. They think I was born yesterday, huh? Yeah, I don't know where they are. I swear to God. They're hiding in a tree somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where they are. I don't know. But I'll tell you when I found one of them. I found him. Did you hide across the street? No. You can't. You gotta hide in the gazebo area.
You never said that.
I did say that.
Well, we can't find Cora.
Where's Trishelle?
Trishelle?
Trishelle! We're leaving. We're leaving. They're fucking hiding out of the place. That's why I couldn't find them. Ooh, Mustang. What? They all hid behind out of the freaking place. That's why I couldn't find them.
She was taller than you?
Yeah, she was taller than me.
Yeah.
She was like 2 to 3 inches taller than me.
Whoa. Then you were bragging when you were like an inch taller than me, so like.
Yeah, now I'm like
Yeah,
2 inches taller than you.
older than you, but
And I was like, that's a good thing because you're 3 years older than me.
Well, there's a girl in 6th grade that's fucking 8 feet tall. Fucking 6'7". I'm not kidding.
There's a girl in my grade that's 5'4".
That isn't even that big.
She's like this one.
When she was in 5th grade, she was like 6'1", okay? She had to duck her head to go through the things. That's how tall she was.
I was tall in my grade.
But she was huge. But I might throw some Pokemon Go gameplay into this video. But if I can't, then this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. It's Ren Madison, Trishelle,
Yeah.
my dad, Cora. Stay savage, be humble, be grateful, and Lego.